Here we are going to see how can we create a temporary table from Spark data frame and join the tables. The first thing we have to import the Spark session. So this before that I'm using the Python 8.8, 3.8 and Spark 3.0. So I'm just importing the Spark session from PySpark.sql import Spark session. Now I want to import the complex data types and other data types from PySpark.sql type, import map type, string type, and integer. Now I want to define the layout, so I have to import the struct field and string type. I am going to create a Spark session, get or create. Now I am having a sample data. I'm taking the state sample data. So state 1 California, this one multiple zip codes. I am having multiple zip codes. So I created the state data. Now I want the zip and zip data. So create the zip city. Now I'm going to define the schema. That struct type, inside the struct serial number with integer type, then state with string type, zip code integer, and the county as integer. For the zip city schema, I'm going to create the struct type with zip code and city name, one with integer and other with string type. Now I want to create the data frame. First data frame, state data. So I'm creating state data underscore df equal to spark.create data frame with data as the state data and the schema as date schema. So data frame is getting created. It's created. Now similarly we need to have the zip city data frame as well. So zip city data frame also created. So let us see how it looks like. So state data df dot show. So we got the state data table df, and other we will check the zip city. Now I want to join these with the zip codes. So I am going to create a temporary table with create or replace temp view. So the temp view is created for state data as well as for zip city. I'm going to create or replace temp view for tbl zip city. Now I got these tables. Now let us do a basic select star dot the table name to see whether the tables is created correctly. So table we are able to do the normal SQL. Now I am creating a join with the zip code and display all the columns. Select serial number, state, city name, country from table state data with and join that with the zip city with the zip code data. So I get all the things with California zip code as well as city name. So city name in the initial table we have only these two, but now I am getting the city name as well based on the zip code. Now once you create normally once we close the session, the temporary table will get dropped. So before that, if you want to drop it forcefully, then we can use the drop table temp view. So it is dropped and table city is dropped. Thank you.